lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. Feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him because he makes a living from every rap's putting together themselves. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear. Cause Rallye was ill. Who would have thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wonder what the twist of nothing in the church. I like bleach, man. Rallye had the stupidest verse, let's do this the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that stock.
This is 10%, 20% skill, 15% concentrated
sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top with a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop, the type women wanna be with the rappers. Hope he gets shot 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record we should know this taking over the show. This shit is he's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to roll with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's leaving proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka and juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, ridiculous, not even trying. How did